Hi everyone, I am Sivaprasad. In this video, I am going to explain smallest of n numbers in C language along with algorithm and program. First, you consider the algorithm. Start the proceedings, read n value, after reading n value, you read values. So that repeat step number 4, changing the I value from 0 to n minus 1 and storing the values in the array. My array name is A. After reading the values, you consider the first member of the array, that is A of 0, as the small value. You are assuming that the first member as the small number and considering its position as 0th position. After these assumptions, you need to go for comparison. Comparing the small number from first value, that is A of 1 to n minus 1. So that's why my comparing index starts from 1 to n minus 1, not from 0 to n minus 1. This is the key point. Here my comparison starts from 1 to n minus 1. That means I am repeating step number 6 n minus 1 times, not n times. N minus 1 times, because I have considered A of 0 as the small number and I am comparing the A of 0 small number from remaining numbers, first number onwards, A of 1, etc. So if A of I, this is the key logic, this is the key point. If A of I is less than small number, then automatically assign this A of I to the small. So that is like this, small equal to A of I and position is I. Now you can, after completion of this loop, print the A of I value, that is a small value and that position. See here. So for example, assuming that my n value is 5 and I am giving 20, 30, 50, 40, 10 as my members. So I will assume I am assuming A of 0 as my small. So small equal to A of 0. So in this case, my A of 0 is 20. So I am giving 20 as the small number. Next, I am comparing A of I with small. Here my A of I means my index starts from 1, not from 0. In the step number 5 I have given, my index starts from 1. So A of 1 less than 20. That is, what is my A of 1? A of 1 is 30. 30 is less than 20. It is false. False means control will move to the next step. That means it will move to the step number 5, not step number 7, because it is in the loop format. So A of 2 is less than 20. A of 2 is 50. A of 2 is 50. 50 less than 20. That is also false. Next one is A of 3. I value changing from 1 to n minus 1. 1 to n minus 1. A of 3. A of 3 is 40. 40 less than 20. That is also not true. Then A of 4 is less than 20. Yes, A of 4 is 10. 10 less than 20. If A of I is less than small, then what I am doing? I am giving A of I value to small. Then printing small and positions. Sorry, here this is not A of I, this is a small comma position plus 1. So now what is my small value? 10. A of I will be given to the small. A of I is 10. The 10 will be given to small. So my updated small is 10 and its position is 5. Now you see the example program. So these are the variables I am considering. Small, it is to represent small number. I for iterations, N to know the number of values, P is for finding the positions, array. CLRH sir, it is to clear the screen. How many values you want to just displaying the message to the user. And then reading the N value, storing it in n. For example, if I enter 5, it will be stored in n. Then asking the user to enter values and reading the values with the help of for loop. You see, so here I am using the for loop. I is 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. So here I am reading the numbers like I have given 20, 30, 40, 50, 20, 30, 50, 40, 10, etc. Here actual value starts. Actual main process starts from here. You see, I am considering first member, that is a of 0, as the small member, and its position is 0. Its position is 0. So I am assigning 0 is the position. Now I have to start the loop. This is the key point. I am comparing from 1 onwards, not 0. Even though array index starts from 0, here I am starting from 1 because already a of 0 is assigned to small. So I am not considering a of 0. I am considering loop from 1 to n minus 1. So what is the my key comparison? Is a of I less than small? If a of I is less than small, then replace small with a of I and identify the current position of the I. If a of I is not less than small, don't change the small. If a of I is less than small, then only we need to update the small. Otherwise, don't change the small. You repeat this loop for n minus 1 times, ranging the I value from 1 to n minus 1. After completion of this loop, just print the smallest number, that is small, and its position is, see, I am printing p plus 1, not p, because array index starts from 0. So that's why I am using plus 1. This is the sample output. Now I am going to show the execution also. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel and post your comments. Let's go to the execution. So this is the program. Just we are going same program what I have explained. So same program I am checking. Compiling and then executing. For example, I am giving number of values you want 5 and giving the values 8, 4, 6, 33, 45. Smallest is 4 and position at 2. Now I am going to execute the same program with different data. Number of values is 4, 35, 38, 56. Again I am giving 35. So my smallest is 35 and position at 1. It is considering the first occurrence of the smallest value. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and post your comments. Thank you.